Hey guys, and welcome! ACOnetwork again with all of you with another video tutorial. Okay, so you have application and you do not know if it is 32 or 64-bit. So how to determine that? It is pretty easy. I will today show you 4 different methods how to do this. First 2 methods I will show you from the file explorer itself, which does not need to run the application so you can determine. But more reliable way is to run the application and we can use Task Manager, which I will use 2 different methods in Task Manager how to determine that. Okay, but before I show you all this stuff, don't forget to subscribe. Click bell icon to get notified about new videos. If you like the video, click big thumbs up. If you did not like, thumbs down. And of course share with others so others can learn too. So let's start. So before I start with the methods, I need to say that on 32-bit operating system you can install only 32-bit version of the application program. You cannot install 64-bit version. But on 64-bit operating system you can install 32 and 64-bit application. If you do not know which version of operating system you have, you can find it in one of my previous videos. The link is provided to you down below this video in the description. So let's go with the first method. First method is just to open up File Explorer. I have it right here. Let's say if you have it on desktop, open it from there. If you have under Start menu, find it and just open it from there. And here, let's go to C, local disk C. In many cases where operating system is installed, it is on C drive. But in your case, it may be a little bit different, but don't worry. Just go where your operating system is installed and you will find those 2 folders, Program Files and Program Files 86. So, every single application which is a 64-bit will be installed under Program Files. Every single application of 32-bit will be installed under Program Files x86. But I need to notify you about 2 things. First, I had a problem that when I installed 64-bit application, it installed in 32-bit of Program Files. Second thing is your applications or games or whatever you have, it may be installed on some other folder or even some other drive, you know. So this method is not so much reliable that we would like. Let's go to the second method, which is much more reliable. Here I have, let's say, Opera web browser and CPU-Z application. This CPU-Z application, it is portable. You can also download it and install the full version, which is basically the same, but portable version means that you can take the folder disk and transfer it, let's say, to your USB key and move it somewhere else. Let's open it this first CPU-Z. Under here we have 2 applications. One is 32-bit and one is 64-bit. But let's say we do not know which one is which, or maybe even someone is joking with you and let's say it renamed, so 64-bit is basically 32-bit. So don't worry, I have simple solution in this method how to determine which version of the application it is. So if you right mouse button click on the, let's say, first application, go to Properties, and under Compatibility, click this square to run program in compatibility mode off, and you will see some operating systems. But before I tell you about this, let's go the same way for this other application. Right mouse button click, click Properties, and let's minimize this window for now, and let's go to Compatibility. Select Run this program in compatibility mode off, and as you see, here I have much more possibilities. Let's say Windows XP, 98, 95 and so on. While here I have only from Vista and on. So in this way you can determine if your application is 64-bit, which you do not have these earlier operating systems, or 32-bit, which you have all this version inside available. If someone was joking with you, now you can determine what they did. Now you can rename these two files back to original state. So let's go to our third method. For the third method, we need Task Manager to open up. Just right mouse button click somewhere empty on your taskbar and just click Task Manager. Or you can also click Ctrl-Alt-Delete key on the keyboard and just click Task Manager, however you want. It will open up the same window. But for presentation purposes, let's open up Opera web browser, which we already determined it is 64-bit, and I will just minimize. And let's open up CPU-Z, 32-bit, just for presentation. And as you see here, CPU-Z, which we know it is 32-bit, you see 32-bit, but Opera web browser, you see, does not have 32-bit right here. You can expand so you can see all the processes of this Opera. You can also see, let's say, Java update checker, it is 32-bit. Update schedule 32-bit. Let's say the CTF loader is 64-bit. So basically, if it has 32-bit in brackets, that means it is 32-bit application, otherwise it is 64-bit. So let's go to our last, fourth method. Still in the Task Manager, just click Details, and under this line where is name, p, status, etc., somewhere here, just right mouse button click on it and click Select Columns. Under here, just find Platform. Click on the checkbox that is checked and then click OK. And now we have for each application, let's say for this just as Java update scheduler, it is 32-bit. Let's say for this one, the DL host, it is 64-bit. Opera, it is 64-bit. So we can say that fourth method on the details tab is most accurate of them all. So that was it for today. I hope you liked the video. For any questions, or if you did not understand something, want to ask me something, just want to say hi, whatever, everything, just type down below in the comment section. Comments, not description. Okay, so until next time, thank you for watching and see ya. Bye bye, people. If you have any questions, did not understand something, want to ask me something, want just to talk, just type everything in comment section below. Don't forget to like or dislike this video, subscribe to my channel so you get notified about new videos, share video with your friends, co-workers and others so they can learn too, and have a great day. Bye bye.